You gotta see us with instruments.
That's right.
You guys all set?
Yeah.
They call me Deadwood.
And my friends call me Cannonball. I'm not sure why.
We'll tell them someday.
Someday we'll tell them. Now, we are train bandits. That means we rob trains if you hadn't noticed earlier.
Well, now, saying it like that sort of puts us in a bad light.
Oh, it does.
Now, each one of us, we prefer to think of ourselves as, well, a Robin Hood of the West.
Robin Hood of the West. That's it. We are the bandits, we would go, we rob the rich and
Keep it. We're going to keep it, right?
Keep it, yes.
I'm not going to give anything back
like
to
the
you.
pirate trio kind of thing there, you know. But you know, you can't judge people, you know. Even Santa, he's like, you know, he spends his time in the South Pole during the summer. I guess that kind of makes him bipolar. But also the rest of the time, you never know. There's various incarnations of his. The one we worry about the most is when he puts on a badge. You better not shout, you better not squeal, better not rob, you better not steal. Sheriff Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice, gonna stack down who's naughty and nice. Sheriff Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're in town. If Sheriff Claus should come for you, well, you better not try to throw down. Because he's quick with a wink, fast with a gun, always rides off into the setting sun. Sheriff Claus is coming to town.
Thank you.
Sheriff Claus for you. Now,
last year, all I got was coal.
Oh, I tell you, yeah, everybody asks you for the right things. You're gonna get what you want for Christmas. Let me talk again. Everybody already asked what they want for Christmas. Okay, because I'll tell you, the really hot thing this Christmas is, it's the neurotic doll. Yeah, see, because right out of the box, it's already wound up.
Wound it up. Yeah, that's right.
And now, also, it's a time of forgiving. So you guys, you know, even all the irritating people in your life, you got to give them some slack. Well, even Buford. Even Buford, we got to sort of stand up for him, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Mama, don't walk a little Buford. Mama, don't pound on his head. Mama, don't walk a little Buford. I think you should shoot him instead. Buford, he burned down the outhouse. Woo! Mama told him he had sinned. The burning itself wasn't all that bad, but that outhouse for boys was a win. Woo! Mama, don't walk little Buford. Mama, don't pound on his head. Mama, don't walk little Buford. I think you should shoot him instead. Buford could not hold his liquor.
Not at all.
He drank moonshine till he was full. He could not see straight, tell a cow from its mate, and he died while he tried to milk the bull. Mama, don't whoop little Buford. Mama, don't pound on his head. Mama, don't whoop little Buford. I think you should shoot him instead. much, folks.
All right, thank you very much.
Now, we're not going to damage any more of your digestion. That's right. We're just going to wish you Merry Christmas and move right along now. Thanks for your attention, folks.
Thank you. Let's try it again. So this boy.
Oh, you drop a pick.
He's dropping capos.
You dropped the capo? That big silver thing?
It done disappeared.
I gave it back to you already.
Oh, it's right down. It's right there.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. You got
Yeah.
a suggestion.
Whoa.
Thank you, folks. Have a great night.